A glass cutter is a fascinating tool that transforms the delicate art of glass cutting into a simple and precise task. Shaped like a pen but far more powerful, a typical glass cutter is equipped with a tiny yet incredibly durable carbide or diamond wheel at its tip. This wheel doesn't technically cut the glass in the traditional sense. Instead, it scores a fine line on the surface. When light pressure is applied along the scored line, the glass magically breaks cleanly and crisply along that mark. It's as if the glass cutter whispers to the glass, "This is where you split," and the glass obeys without fuss. Using a glass cutter feels a bit like performing a magic trick. With a steady hand and the right technique, you can shape glass into intricate patterns, custom window panes, or stunning stained glass art. The cutter glides effortlessly across the surface, leaving behind a nearly invisible trail that holds the power to unlock the glass's potential. Whether you're a seasoned professional crafting masterpieces or a DIY enthusiast diving into your first project, the glass cutter is your trusty wand, turning sheets of glass into works of beauty with just a score and a snap.